This is day 2. I can't stress enough how much I hate vlogging. But it's 12:18. We got a late start because we were up all night because there were bears.
There, at least one, because the noise going on around the tent was footprints. It was like, it was so terrifying. So yeah, I didn't fall asleep till like 1:30, maybe 2 o'clock. Bridge behind me, dirt roads, barely paved road. Morgan's got the drone going right now, getting some good shots. Okay, we'll go into the drone shot right now. So we went on a website called freecampsite.net. It just gave us a set of coordinates and said, I've stayed here before, there's bathrooms, which are right there. So we're like, oh, let's stay here. Well, there was no mention of this, or scenic high falls. This is a full-scale waterfall operation right now. That was stupid, I don't know why I said it like that. But this is where we're staying tonight. We're gonna hang up our tents between these two poles right here. We're set, we got washrooms, we got garbage cans that lock. Okay, so confession of day 2. First thing off the top of my head, I would love to shower. Can't do that at this campsite, and I was too tired to do it this morning at the actual campsite. But anyway, speaking of this campsite, we ended up on a website called freecampsites.net, and they said the free spot in this area where we were planning on ending up was this place, and it ends up being a beautiful waterfall, which we did not expect. And there's like a pavilion with picnic tables for us to eat, and a pavilion that's covered so we can string our hammock tents, which works out great. But yeah, so today I'd love to shower, but also amazing views and a nice surprise to end off the day. And only 28 more days with Morgan, so that's pretty cool too. Alright, peace out, see you tomorrow.
I gotta say, Devan's positivity is probably gonna end me on this trip.